Now, how can you track the exercise on the iPhone? Let's get into it. So, iPhone is, of course, not the Apple Watch, so it doesn't measure your heart rate and some other things which is measured by the Apple Watch. That's why a smartwatch of any kind is really useful. But if you have just the iPhone, you can still track some exercise related stuff. So if you would like to see your general steps you take and the activity, you can use the health app, which is part of the iPhone. It is built in, and in there you can browse all of the data which is available. So you can go to the activity or just go to the summary page right there, and you'll be able to find the amount of steps during the day usually, and some even actively burned calories, the distance walked during the day, and what is technically available will be shown here. Keep in mind that it's probably not going to be as accurate, as the distance and steps are only counted if you have the iPhone with you. So it's if you just leave your phone behind for a while, it doesn't get measured. So just keep that in mind. But generally speaking, you can do something. And yeah, even without the Apple Watch, you still have access to the fitness app where you have the calorie ring and some other data, as I mentioned, so you can keep track of that here as well. But if you want to track, for example, running or some other workout like that, you need to get a third-party app for it. So a lot of people use, for example, Nike Running. And this can work without any kind of smartwatch, just on the iPhone when you click on start a workout, and just ensure you keep it with you. Using GPS and some other data, it can determine your speed, the time, of course, distance, cadence, and some other stuff like that. It doesn't access your heart rate, so you don't see any zones or anything like that, but yeah, at least something so you can do it with the iPhone, as the only device. So these are your options. Let me know below in the comments what exactly you would want to achieve. And yeah, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials.